Good morning, guys. We're here in Ibiza. Now you can hear me? Yeah, sorry, guys. I was speaking then. Good morning. Can't hear. Okay, sorry, guys. I messed up. I messed up. It's not my first time. I'm messing up too much in the last period. How are you doing, guys? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing great, guys. We're here. It's freaking hot outside. I decided to do the live stream outside today just to try it, and I'm thinking not to do it again. That's just too much hot. It's just too much. I mean, I'm in the shadow. The pool is in front of me. I will show you very soon. Market is going crazy, by the way. Market is going crazy. Look at yesterday. We gapped down by a lot of volatility yesterday night, and now we already closed it. And let's put the opening print level of today. That should be the first candle here. No, this one, 30. So this is the opening print level. London low is this one. Yeah, this one is London low. This is and this is previous day low. So we already took, no, previous day low is this one. Yeah, 11. Previous day low is this one. No, that's previous day low because that is 8 p.m. 11, yeah. Hello, Ed. Hello, Fayaz. Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing great, guys. I spent my weekend Saturday we went out with the boat. It was on a very nice trip, relaxing, swimming. Honestly, it was worth it. Everything worth it. Let's try if I can put the daily chart without me waiting 1 hour for this chart to load, or I cannot do it again. Okay, that's much better. It's much faster. So the loss has been taken already. Yeah, previous the low have been already taken. London low is this one. Yeah, so we already took some lows. I finally switched from crypto to funny trading. I bought my first account with Apex. Good luck, my friend. And first things of all, don't rush. You see me rushing here, there is no need to rush. I'm gonna just trade don't even trade today. I think I'm gonna just you know, try to read the market, a little bit of forward testing or back testing as well with you guys. I need some sunglasses. I'm just right now here like this. The sun is strong. But if I put sunglasses, then I'm not gonna able to see even the screen. But the vlog is coming, guys. In the vlog I'm gonna put today, there is not much as a like extreme stuff because it's just me moving to Ibiza. But it's a good vlog edited of last Wednesday. So that was even a losing day. I mean, like every day last week. So so you might be very happy to watch that video. And it's coming in 1 hour and 20 minutes. Someone with your, yeah, man, too many scammers, Mohammed. I know, but I cannot see them, and I cannot do much with this. I just always remind you, I will never, and I will never text you privately. Just save this. Amsa will never text me in DM. If you know this, you know that is a scammer. And if I have to text you in DM, I will just let you know in the main Discord, tag you, and tell you that I'm texting you if I have to give you a coupon or stuff or pay you and I need your information. But that's the only things I will do. I will never text DM you privately. Just this, as much as I love each one of you guys, this is just to avoid any problems. Because we have too many problems. It's just the best. It's just the best. Wow, Andy, you're moving to crypto. Wow, that's interesting. VC market makers. So for example, if I have to trade a PA right now, I'm gonna trade them singularly. Account 55 has 600 of drawdown, 600 of drawdown, 300 of drawdown, 300s, 300s. This is okay. Let's 3K. So account 50. If I have to trade something, it's gonna be just here 50. Only one account. The one things I realized, I mean, from last time speaking, from my even what the heck am I doing here? Yeah, go away. Even from my previous year, guys, my biggest problem is that I didn't have a real. I think it's that mostly it. I didn't have a real structural strategy, like actual. This is my entry. This is my exit, and I've tried descriptionary as much as I think, but I really need some mechanical factors. Man, send me some money. But look, I show you. Wait. This is it, guys. This is an incredible villa. This is not me. This is me. Hello, guys. And this is the pool. Oh, what? It's not taking the camera from my. Wait. There's a problem here. I'm using the wrong camera. Oh, because Elgato camera is not working. Of course, my camera is not freaking working. And I wanted to show you. And of course it's not working. What a damn advanced today. I really need to find a way in this villa. Can you see me enough right now? Because I'm still losing frames. So I'm trying to figure it out. Wait, I'm thinking about to stop the stream and for a moment, fix it, and then come back. It's good now? I mean, I hope so. Thank you, man. I mean, not that much I can do right now. Freaking pain. I should be back and I should be fine. Okay, guys, we're good now. Let me know, but we're good now. I'm gonna just as well let you know in Discord. So sorry, guys. For the moment, I had to move right now. I'm connected to the Starlink. I'm in a position that I'm okay. The only problem that I have to this position is that I don't have a plug to charge my PC. So means that I have a limited amount of time on the fact that my computer will die. But it should handle it for at least 45 minutes. So we are good for at least until that moment. I'm gonna just reduce the battery. Okay, beer trap down there. Alfonso. That's looks like that. Something it's pushing there. We're getting some nice momentum. Let me reconnect to Rithmic. How was your weekend, Alfonso? How was your weekend, Jose and everyone? Cover Trade, where are you? Cover Trades, I'm in Ibiza. I'm in Ibiza right now. Is the live much better right now, guys? I think I fixed most of the problems. Please let me know. Looks good. Nick, what's up, Nick? Were you here before? I just had to oh, it was your first. I had to fix so many things here. Sorry for the problems, guys, for today. But at least now I know that I can live stream from here. The only things I have to fix, and it's fixable easily, is to bring electricity to this point, and it's doable. So it should be fine from tomorrow. Much better now. Yes, I'm connected to the Starlink, and as well here is telling me that I'm in a good position. OBS is telling me good job. Why I can't trade ES? You should be able to trade everything. ES, are you selecting the correct contract? And which platform are you using? Which platform are you using, Mohammed? Rithmic, Tradovate, or WealthChart? How many accounts do you trading, bro, Hamza? I had 16, now I have much less. Now I have much less. Now I have much less. Life is hard. Life is hard. No, life is beautiful. Look at the pool behind me, guys. I cannot complain. I have a freaking pool behind me. And soon I will jump in it. You're on WealthChart. Then you have to remember to select always the correct month expiration. You cannot use a continuous contract in WealthChart. So ESU 5 is the contract. Yes, U5. That's the contract. Always remember, it's important. 1.5 million, right? 1.5 million from 2.4 to 2.2 to 1.5. But that matters. That number is, you know well, guys. That number is fufa. Means nothing. That number means nothing, guys. We know it. We know all of it. You're welcome, Mohammed. You're welcome. What's the best? Oh, I didn't read your. What's your backtesting plan? That's a really good question. So, to be honest, I will be honest. I didn't think properly about it. So, my goal, at least, is to have quite a bit of mechanical approach. You're still a millionaire. Of course, I'm still a millionaire. So if not, I will not have a pool big like this behind me. No, this is my villa, guys. I wish it was my villa. I wish. Remember, guys, if you're using Apex, there's 80% off. That's my code, Hamza. Thank you for supporting the channel. But for backtesting, I would love to have a mechanical strategy. Still don't know exactly the idea behind and how to make it more mechanical as I can. I'm trying to figure it out, to be honest. I'm trying to figure it out. Not easy. Not easy. The 50 minutes range is completed, right? It's here. This is after. Okay, this is the 50 minutes range. So we figured out, honestly, it happens so much that we figured out one side on the 50 minutes range and then we go back to the previous one. Have you got an idea for what kind of edge you would like for? So I will definitely I would love to backtest two. One, a simple breakout edge. Breakout with the the 50 minutes. I would like to focus myself on the 50 minutes range. That's what I would like to focus. I would like to focus myself on the 50 minutes range, becoming my 50 minutes range, and then I trade 1 hour afterwards. It will be perfect. So finding a strategy on the 50 minutes is possible. There are many of them. I've made money last year. It's possible. So it would be nice to have a confirmation strategy on it. Would be nice, and as well would be nice to have like a breakout strategy. Sorry, and second, these things here, liquidity grab on the bottom of the 50 minutes range, and then trade the return, the inside range again. Because I know I checked once a statistic with my friend. 50% of the time, when a low gets taken on the 50 minutes range, also the other high gets taken, or the opposite. One side gets taken, the other side gets taken. That's the conclusion. It happens 50% of the time. That will be interesting. And the other times is to trade the breakout continuation. So have like these two things to backtest and to have a plan around it. It's always on the 3-minute chart. I like the 3-minute chart, to be honest. 3-minute chart has been, in general, a blessing. So the answer with France, I don't pay tax in France. I'm a resident in Paraguay, so I don't pay taxes in France. But if you make money with the funded futures, you're a freelancer. So if you're making a lot of money, let's say you're below 85K per year, then the best approach will be to open small company things where you're taxed fixed at 23%. That's the best way. So that's the best way, is to be taxed 23% on France until 85K, and then above that it's a problem. You have to speak with your accounting, but below that it's fixed at 23%. The risk reward to the other side is better than 1-to-1 and win at least 50%. Yeah, yes. So let's say, for example, this one. We have the 50 minutes range started here, closed here, 42, opening here. We took the lows, and then we might look for something like a closing candle back, and then we will look for what can be something like that. If you go back to the range, that's already a 1-to-2 risk reward. If you go back to half of the range, you're keeping this is like, in this case example is 1-to-1. Half of the range is something that happens most of the time. So even if you keep 1-to-1, is already something. At the end of the range, no, sorry, the end of the range is this one, 2.5. Has to be tested. So it has to be tested with both datas. How many times it hits half and how many times it hits full. I like it. I like this idea. So you could, thanks to micro enterprises. It is, yes. WealthChart has a lot of features. The best way is just remove the indicators and add which one you like. I like the trading champions and cross champions from WealthChart. If you go to the left side and click and search for TV, you have all the videos where they teach these indicators. And Rob is a very good teacher, very good trader. So I would say it's a good place. It's a good place to learn, to be honest, WealthChart. Yes. Let's take a sheet file. Let's take a sheet file. Let's take a sheet file here, and I'm gonna create a new one. I don't see anything because everything's dark as hell. So I'm trying to don't use much battery. Where's my mouse? I lost the mouse. I found it. I found the mouse. I mean, my battery should go. Honestly, my battery, I'm impressed. It's still at 78%. So we should go until then. Maybe we might do this event tomorrow. So, for example, backtesting. I'm gonna call this sheet backtesting. And what I'm gonna do is date. I need a date when it happened. From which side? Bottom to up. So low side, liquidity grabbed from the low, liquidity low. I'm gonna call it liquidity low and liquidity high. And I'm gonna say, no, I'm gonna just put it where, from where, which one block, from which side. And then I'm gonna put a condition, data validation, a drop down. I'm gonna say low or high. Did I spell correctly high? I don't know. What the heck did happen here? I need more screens. More screens is good, for sure. As not too many, but then which side? And then we say 50% of the 50 minutes range. I like it. I like it, the 50% of the 50 minutes range, and not the 50% of your stop loss. 50 minutes of the 50 minutes range. 15% range, and then top range. And then, yeah, how many times it happened? And then get stopped out. Okay, I like it. So for example, here it's gonna be date. Shall we see the Excel sheet? Yes. You should see? You wanna see it? We can see it. You can see it, of course. Let me put it. So then what I'm gonna do is something like we color here. We do black strong one. Then here we do small one. That and right. Same things for here. Bottom and right. And then we keep it. We keep it like that. So for example, right now I will have something like this, and then I will put a day. Insert convertible, view more actions, data validation, and from the list. Value contains one from the list. No. Oh shit. F. Add rule. No. Yeah, add rule. Yes. Has to. What the heck? No, I want to have a date here. Condition formatting then. Date is before, date is faster. Date is, I don't know. It's not important. We can do it later. For example, let's say today it's 7/14. 7/14, 2025. Okay, remove. Let's remove this rule. What the heck is this rule? 7/14/43. Which side is the low side has been taken? 50 minutes, and then we go and we check our today trading session, and we check. The thing is, looking back at your wait, we have someone speaking background there here. I see your point, Nick. I see your idea of not making it full mechanical, and see when there is a possibility of better entry or not. Because, for example, let's say if the 50 minutes range matches with the London lows or something like that, then it's good. Then I think that's when it can be improved. But let's see, for example, let's see right now the idea of making it like mechanical with a closing candle or a 3 minutes as an entry. I think it's good because 3 minutes give you a little bit more confirmation. So in our case here with the, let's see quant hour. Let's see, for example, here the 50% range has been taken, but I have to put how much risk reward has been that one. So for example, in this case, it was a 0.91, and the high is would have been 2.6. No, here 2.52, 2.50. So if I go to my Excel sheet, I put 0.91 has been taken. That's good. This one we don't know yet, so I'm gonna just put a slash. But that is like one trade, and 0.291 as like one is being risk reward, 2 etc. moving forward. So I think I can do something like that for like 50 trades. Would be nice. Something like 50 trades. That means 50 days. and see how it goes. Are you backtesting in the past or just the next one? Both. I'm gonna do both. If tomorrow if by tomorrow I'm not able to get the 50, tomorrow I had the forward testing one. Yeah, for sure. Definitely, I get your point on Nick on the fact that you put some experience on it, and I'm okay to put some experience on it. I've done that on the 50 minutes range. On the 50 minutes range, sometimes I decide to not take a trade or to take a trade just because I was like, okay, the market does not look good for a breakout. So yeah, it just more have a mechanical way of like entry is a really good, and exit as well will be really good. Oh. More screens equal more money. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure. Who thinks that is more screen equal to more money? I mean, more screens give you more data that you can decide to use for trading or not, but as well, more information is more trouble on your head to handle them. Oh, how is it going right now there? How is it going right now with the today trading? Did someone of you take some trades? Right now we're back to the opening print level. Interesting. I like it. Oh, the 50 minutes range has been insane the last 2 years. I mean, last month. Mufti, did you take some trades? Or you're done for the day? Tomato, everyone else? I will sell soon, but not sure. What is your strategy? Are you using a similar strategy you were using in crypto, but in funded? And my advice is to trade with micro contracts the first period, my friend. Also because you want to learn the platform, you know how to flatten the position if something happens, you know how to handle something. Up $378, Tomato, let's go. Did you get back your account, Tomato, or not? One screen NQ, one screen gold, one screen Bitcoin, one screen... Oh my God, Fayad. 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Do you trade all of 4 or you're using them as a data? You use pure intuition. You just want, man, you're strong enough. You're strong. I use one indicator, ETA. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, you're strong to use pure indication, pure intuition. Man, I believe I can have good intuition, but the last year I was so happy, guys, with my super mechanical way. Man, $22,000 of payout last year. Good enough. Never got the account back. Did you? What? Did you ask them? Did you contact them? What the heck? And you have you have one screen. I was like, what the heck? You have 4 screens there. Do it, Tomato. Do it. Do it. Do it, man. You're gonna get back your account. Do it. Don't spend. Don't just write an email now. Create a ticket and say, my account blah 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 was affected by the outage blah 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 by these days. Please, what is possible to do? Can you reset the account? Do it. Because your account was in a good state. You can get it back. Okay, you have put the market. Yeah, but okay, you have more data. Yeah, okay, so you do some fundamental analysis. Throw the screen with Bitcoin, bro, and thanks me later. Throw away. Yeah, Mohammed has been fed up with crypto. Done. Crypto done. Wow, I'm getting my back kick of sun right now. I have to move the things here behind me. Not, I'm gonna die. If not, my back is gonna hurt so much. I started with Bitcoin, man. First love Bitcoin, now NQ. Both of them super volatile. That's what we are. Crazy traders we are here. It's getting to the top, huh? Let's see at least the previous day. Let's see, let's go to the previous days. So we backtest it. You see the low has been taken. Low has been taken, closed candle above, 50% very close, but we are at 0.42. So we're gonna put in the sheet file 0.42 on the, what was the 11? Yes, the 11. The lowest was taken. We made 0.42 there, and the high was 161. Then we got the previous day. Previous days. This was taken. I got long at the closing of the candle. And I lost. I lost. Because anyway, my loss is going to be the same every time. What the heck? Ah. Stream is fixed. You at now, brother? Yeah, now it's fixed. I got closer to the router, to the Starlink there. How are you? Right now I'm in Ibiza, by the way. Yeah, just for the people. I'm in Ibiza time. Let's go to the previous 50 minutes on the. Wow, this was no trade situation. We just broke up right away. That's what I'm thinking, is that to have a strategy as well for breakouts continuation, but we'll figure it out, that one as well, later on. How is it going right now, the trade? Let me check later. Okay, let's go back. No trade as well here, yes, no, we closed, but we never came back in. We came low, so I don't like this one anymore. There's no trade as well. And here we have the lows, the highs was taken. Here, close of the candle. Short side. And I'm risking getting the half. The half is a bit more. It's 160. Okay, 164. Seven. Where's my mouse? 7, 16. The high was taken here, 164, and deposit the 50 minutes range was 427. That's an insane good risk reward there. 427. Interesting. So no trades, loss. This one is a loss. I have to put it. Was the lowest taken, loss. Very interesting, guys, for the moment. And this trade is going up. Who knows that we find the strategy of the life? Who knows, guys? We're gonna make the strategy ever. And I want as well a breakout continuation strategy for like a few points scalp. Because the liquidity and swipe and coming back, we can make it like a longer trade. But the breakout continuation, I want a few points only, like I was doing before. And the high is going to be taken right now, 250. So 250 is right now the risk reward on the first trade, 250. That's quite insane, guys. I have to, I'm also excited for this to backtest properly this strategy. I really wanted something a little bit more mechanical. And if I put a little bit of experience on it, on deciding where and not where to take a trade, these things can work. Risking again $200 on a trade, not bad. Not bad. Guys, remember to leave a like to the video. Any like, any help. By the way, today, not many people are speaking today, yeah? It seems a quiet chat today. I understand that the first part I was not really there. My connection was very bad. I'm sorry, guys, I'm sorry. A very quiet day. Guys, who's there? Who's there right now? Who's there? I need some help. Who is there right now? Who is there right now, guys? I had a loss. What did you take, Alfonso? Few people are still. You are still there. Nick is there. Mufti is there. PDH. Pick day high. I don't know. I made my first loss. It's okay. It's better start with a loss than a green trade, because then you have the assumption that it's just too easy. Here for yes. Oh, people are there. Previous day's high. Yeah, man. My brain was not working. Yeah, of course. Previous day's high. Yeah, good chance. I'm gonna backtest more today and tomorrow better during the live stream, because tomorrow we're gonna do more. I'm gonna set up everything properly. I think probably split the screen with one screen backtesting, one screen showing you the Excel. I think it's gonna be nice. I really like this idea of low of the 50 minutes be taken and look for a 50% or a full 50 minutes range. Oh. The idea as well is that if it reaches 50%, maybe move the stop loss to break even. 953. What is it? I mean, it's a candle for sure that is giving, but after a big push like this, it becomes less interesting for me, at least. After a big push like this, then I will wait for a pullback maybe and find another candle. Ah, 1 minute. Ooh. Ah, I see. You see, for example, here, Afonso, what it did? It did a push, a pullback. First people that like you that went long had their stop loss here. The market came back, stop you out, and then it went straight. So even with the 1 minute, there's more chance that you can wait for a second hit. You know, first people pushing, they get stopped out, re-enter again left afterwards. That's ideal, at least on the 3 minutes. In the 1 minute, it shows maybe a few times more. Back to the 1 minute chart, guys. No, I'm not right. I'm just saying my opinion when reading the market. I'm not right. I don't say I'm right because I don't make money from it. So if I was right, I would make money. Fayaz, you're not alone. You're not alone, my friend. Ooh. And look at this 1 minute chart, 1 minute candle here. If you use the fake out on the 1 minute, that would be nice. Risk reward is goes crazy here. I still need to backtest it properly, Afonso. If you mean this one of the 15 minutes, I want to backtest. That's what you mean? Yeah, I want to backtest it. Have at least 50 trades. Forward test it for the next week. Like tomorrow, we're gonna test it again, and then figure it out. Yeah, 10 ticks is nothing. 10 ticks is 2.5 points. I mean, in ES is a little bit more, but if you do 2.5 points in NQ, you get stopped out right away. $200. $200 you means that with one contract you went 4 points. Yeah, man, Afonso, I'm gonna backtest it and forward testing and then trading it on the PA. The strategy. So if it becomes if I start to show profitability, guys, I'm here doing it live. If I make money as well. It's, you know, we're here to make it happen. Oh. Would be nice to backtest it as well with 1 minute chart, even if it's a bit more possible to give you fake out on a way that it can come back and then a break again. But the risk reward is much higher, so. So let's see, for example, I did 7 to 7. I did the 7 July. Was it? Yeah, 7 July then. So let's go to 6 July to see it. The heck? What happened here? I put 6 days. So let's go to 6 to 7 July, 6 July, 7 July is this one. That's what I did. And 6 hour Monday it was. I think this was holiday. Yeah, so 7/4 was holiday, so we don't count it. Okay, we're here. What is it? Opening is here. We closed above. I would say something like that. If we close above, we're out. Because for me, closing above means I'm looking for a breakout continuation strategy. So this one, it's not a trade anymore. On the 3 minutes candle there. What is the... Yeah, so we have to go to the 7.2. Here, what the heck? So right now here as well, we break out, but we close right. For me, this is the other one, really. We can really work as well on a breakout continuation strategy. The 3 minutes candle closing, we look for a breakout continuation. Oh, man. Alfonso, that's why you're there. You noticed that that mistake. Good job, man. Thank you so much. So 7.3, we have to go. We have to go back to 7.3 to see what's happening. Okay, 7.3, that's it. You see it, candle closing above. We don't care anymore. That's what I like. I really want a strategy like this. Candle closing, we continue long. I have to backtest it. But this is for me another backtesting strategy. If the candle closes above, you look for continuation. Here nothing, it closed above. So we have both, right? If we have a range day, we're gonna have the fake out. We can enter, in the opposite direction. And if the day instead, if the trade instead goes straight forward, we take the continuation. One trade per day, that's enough. Another day here. Oh, this will be a losing trade. Wait. No, this is already from here. This is not a losing trade because the breakout is here. So it closed above, not a fake out strategy. Yeah, instead here, it would have been probably a losing trade on continuation, but yeah. No, I'm thinking if the candle closes, like for example, this is a very good example of what you're seeing right now, Nick. If it breaks above, closes above, for example, you take a long, and it comes back, I would say no. I would say I will not look for. I think I wouldn't. Just to keep it one simple trade per day. One trade per day. You lose $200 if the trade is negative, and you can make 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 risk reward if the trade is positive. But it has to be back tested, so everything I say is just a speculation right now. The breakout strategy using, for example, of last year was very simple. Take 10 points and go away. Oh, what a good life, man. The stress there was not existing. Guys, if you're here, let me do something. Publish. The video is out. The video is out. I'm gonna get a shareable link. And guys, I messed up. If you can leave a like and a comment, will be amazing. Just something to help the video to be boosted, guys. Boosted. 30 days already gone. I like to backtest on Ninja Trader. Quant Hour, I'm not a backtaster on Quant Hour. With Ninja Trader, I can go straight forward to a certain week, even a certain month. So even if I want to backtest in Ninja Trader, I can take a random month of last year and start backtesting it. That's what I like about Ninja Trader. Quant Hour, I don't think I can do it right now. Guys, if you can leave a like and a comment in that video, will be amazing. It's the vlog of me coming yesterday on Wednesday. Another video will come in a few days. You like the vlog? Thank you, man. Appreciate. This time was not me editing the video, and you can notice it. Even the funny thing is that in that video I didn't do anything special that day. It was simply just coming here, you know, checking in, checking the place. Not much to do, but the guy did an amazing job anyway. Watch it after the stream, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Tomorrow we do more backtesting. Today was a bit of... Thank you, guys. Thank you, Afonso. Today, guys, was a bit random. Let's do tomorrow a nice backtesting of what the idea we had right now. Keep doing it, and let's take the data of as well the breakouts continuation, and we do that, and we see both strategy. It will be nice to have both of them as a, you know, as an arsenal to use. Would be the best. Man, the goal is that one. The goal is that one, man. The goal is to make it happen, all of us, and then next year we are there. That's the goal. Instead, right now I have to close the live stream and go back to work. But it's a pleasure, guys. I like to live stream here. I don't know, it dropped. Huh? What the heck? Why it dropped right now? I don't understand. Guys, I'm leaving. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much, guys. Let's backtest much more tomorrow. Much more. Like, let's do a proper month of backtesting. One. Bam, bam, bam. I'm gonna split the screen tomorrow to make it easy for everyone. Remove Trader Pro below because I won't trade, and put instead the Excel sheet. So below you will see the data, and on the left side here, you will see what I'm backtesting and the chart, and it will be perfect. Yeah, let's backtest together. After hours, I wish, man, but it's really a lot. It's really a lot, as well with the work, and I have to make other videos. So sometimes it's not easy. And I'm really struggling with the internet here. I have to, at least now I'm okay to do it tomorrow here with my battery of my computer, but I think I can fix that. So tomorrow we should be good. Guys, remember, watch the video, put a like and a video in the new in the vlog. I appreciate you guys, each one of you. Thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow.